Revit family management using Ideate BIMLink is fast, easy, and accurate. For this example, we're going to learn how to use Ideate BIMLink to manage the family type data. Additionally, we're going to use that data and pull that information into another project file that has the same exact furniture information, with the exception of the element ID numbers. The goal here is to keep that data synchronized between both files. You can see here the furniture list for Building A, and in Building B, you can also see a similar furniture list as well. We'll start by editing some of the furniture data for Building A. I will start by launching Ideate BIMLink, where I already had a furniture types link created. For this link, you can see that I've mapped some of the type parameters such as type mark, family name, type name, and so forth. The goal is to edit some of this type information for the Building A project, and then for the Building B project, we're going to take the element ID and switch that data key over to the family and type parameter. I'll take this information and click OK, and export to this location. Once exported, I'll open the file. For this example, I plan on editing some of the manufacturer information as well as the type comments, and I'll fill this information down since this info is the same for all of the family types. In addition to editing the manufacturer and type comments, I also want to make all my family names uppercase and have a Division 12 furnishings in front of them. To do that, I'm going to use a simple formula, which is equal to the uppercase of Division 12 with an underscore and concatenate the family name from column D. Once complete, I will fill this information down to fill in the data for the rest of the families. We now see a Division 12 in front of the family names, along with making the names uppercase. Once the information has been filled down, I'm going to go ahead and copy the information to the clipboard, and I'll return to column D and paste the resulting values. Now that this information has been updated, I will save it and close out the file. Returning to Ideate BIMLink, I will select Import and select the Furniture Types Excel file that I just edited and hit Open. We'll review the information in BIMLink for any reported errors and warnings, while reviewing all the changes highlighted in yellow. Since we're happy with the results, we will import those changes. We can now see that all the furniture information in the project browser has been updated. I'll go ahead and close out of Ideate BIMLink, and I'm going to come over to the first floor plan for the Building B project. In this project, you can see the furniture information is the same as before, such as being all lowercase and without a Division 12 prefix. What I want to do is import the Excel file that I just edited for the Building A file, since the information is the same, with the exception of the element ID number. I'm going to return to Ideate BIMLink, where I have the same exact furniture types link as the Building A project. I will select the Properties button and verify that the parameter data is in the same exact order as the link definition from the Building A link, as the parameter data and order is critical for BIMLink to align the imported data. What I'm going to do is select the element ID number and clear its data key, and we'll assign the data key to the family and type parameter instead, since they're the same between both projects. I'm using the family and type parameter to align the imported data, just in case the element ID numbers are different between the two projects. Once the data assignments are complete, I'll select OK to commit to the changes, and then I will select Import to bring in the edited data from the Building A Furniture Types Excel file that I recently edited. You can see that everything worked out as expected, as indicated by the lack of errors and the changes to the furniture data that has been highlighted by BIMLink. In this case, we were able to bring in this information and align the data based on the family and type, and skipped over the element ID as the alignment point. The furniture information is exactly the same, and if I select on a piece of furniture from the project browser, we can see that the manufacturer and type comment information has also been updated. For the last portion of this video, I will return to the Building A project file, and with the recently updated furniture information, I will return to BIMLink and export the fresh data to the Furniture Types Excel file that I recently edited. This is in case the furniture data has been modified since the last data import. In this situation, we will overwrite the worksheet in this file and then open it. The goal of this exercise is to create some new family types. I will select in between these two furniture types and insert a new row. In this case, I want to create one more table type, or size. I'll come over to the Element ID column and we'll type in the word new. I'm not going to do anything with the family and type column because in columns D and E, when I edit that information, the family and type name will auto-populate once imported by BIMLink. Now I'll fill down the family name and type name, implying that this new type is going to be part of this family. In the type field, I'm going to make an 84-inch by 84-inch table, and the same thing over here. I'll just take this information like so and fill it down. You could do the same thing for other families if you wish to create additional types. We'll save this file and import it back in with BIMLink. And just like that, we now have new family types, and we can scroll down this list over here and see the new family type that has been created. I'm going to select OK and close out of BIMLink. And when I expand the table rectangular, you can now see the new 84-inch by 84-inch table type that has been created. And that's all it takes to create new family types, edit the family information, and even take that family information and bring it into other projects as long as the data aligns with the parameters you choose. We want to leave you with a nice quote from one of our customers on how confident they are using Ideate BIMLink to manage their data and how much time it has saved their company. This quote is one of many positive experiences that customers have using the Ideate software for Revit tools. For more information on all our Revit-based applications, including trial downloads, software updates, product help, and blog posts, be sure to visit our website at www.ideatesoftware.com. Additionally, be sure to follow us on social media channels as we continue to publish helpful information on our products. From the entire Ideate Software team, thank you so much for reviewing this video.